Hi there, and welcome to another spare parts showcase from Cluster Repairs UK. If your Renault Clio Mk4 display is flickering, cracked or unresponsive, don't replace the whole unit. Today, we're revealing the complete plug-and-play replacement display and touchscreen that brings your Sat Nav back to life. This part is known to fix several common issues, like an unresponsive or slow touchscreen, black spots or marks across the screen, discoloration, scratches or cracks, a screen that turns fully black or white, or missing sections of the display. Here's an example of a faulty screen. In this case, the touchscreen has completely stopped working. This is the exact same part we use in our own professional repairs, which are backed with a lifetime warranty. This spare part is available for professional repairers and confident DIYers. With your purchase, you'll get 14 days of free access to our detailed step-by-step tutorial video, filmed to trade standards, to guide you through the repair and to a professional outcome. Cluster Repairs UK only supplies genuine, authorised, factory-sourced parts. Each one comes from trusted European distributors, includes a 12-month warranty and passes strict quality control. We never sell B-grade stock, factory rejects or parts sourced on the open market. And now, after repair using a brand new original screen, you can see the result, fully responsive and looking as good as new. We've been supporting the motor trade since the 1980s, with 2 UK-based locations and award-winning customer service. If you need any help, just click the Ask Seller a Question button or send us an email. We're happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and we hope to get you back up and running soon.